Let's get to Seema Mody. Seema?
Good morning, Carl. Yeah, the earnings are going to be the big focus here. 75 S&P 500 companies have reported thus far, about 2% above consensus. The question is whether that will continue into this week. We have 122 S&P components, 12 Dow components reporting earnings this week. Industrials, with everything that's happening around the world, from trade war to the slowdown in China, that will be the key focus. Keep in mind, estimates for the industrial sector have come down from 6% in July to about a 1% here. So we'll have to see what happens when United Tech, Caterpillar, a lot of these names do report this week. It's worth noting that some of the industrials that have reported, Fastenal, United Rental, Kansas City Southern, they've actually beat street consensus. So the question is whether we'll get the same story from some of these global industrial names like Caterpillar and 3M that have underperformed the market over the past 6 months. You'll see 3M shares down nearly 25% in the past 6 months. Take a look at shares of Alibaba. The company saying it expects more than 500 million shoppers to participate in Singles Day on November 11th. That's 100 million more, guys, than last year. So the Chinese e-commerce company really trying to quiet down those fears of a slowdown in China and a slowdown in the Chinese consumer. Shares up about 2%. And a tale of two IPOs that we're watching this morning. Pinterest upgraded by RBC Capital to outperform. Peloton upgraded by JP Morgan, and both stocks are higher in early trade. But take a look at a longer-term chart that really tells you the story. Pinterest now trading 33% above its IPO price, while Peloton is down about 19% from when it went public on the 25th of September. But despite this mixed performance that we've seen in the IPO space, we have 8 companies expected to go public this week, including Progeny, which is a fertility startup. We have BRP Group, an insurance provider, and Youdao, that is a Chinese education startup. This as Casper is reportedly planning to go public as early as this year, hiring bankers, according to a report from Bloomberg. Guys, sending it back to you.